what's up and welcome back to my channel. I know I'm filming quite after some time because I was pretty occupied with work, but I have taken a short break from work and I'm like right now chilling at home, so I'm back on YouTube. And today especially I'm in love with how my makeup turned out because I used the Urban Decay's all-nighter setting spray. I just recently bought this. I heard a lot about this setting spray, so I thought like why not to give it a try, although I have ample of setting sprays. So many makeup artists just love this setting spray, so I had to try it and oh my god, it's just bomb. I tried it for the first time today and I don't know, like I'm wondering why I did not try it before. So all you makeup lovers who want to give it a shot to a new setting spray, then do try the all-nighter from Urban Decay. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but you can trust me, you will not regret buying this one at all. Okay, now getting back on today's video. So today I want to review So today I'm going to review two products from Ordinary. First one is the Ordinary Vitamin C Suspension 23% and the other one is the Ordinary Lactic Acid 10% plus HA. Now I got these two products 2 months back and I have been using these together since 2 months without skipping at all, and I believe that I have my review now. Just a small disclaimer on that. So skincare products just behave differently on different skin types, so whatever review I will be giving in this video wholly solely depends on my experience. So if you want to check out if I love these two products and if they made any difference to my skin, then do continue to watch this video until the end. Also, if you like my review and you enjoy watching my videos, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And now without further ado, let's get started with the first product, which is the Ordinary Lactic Acid 10% plus HA. So this product has got lactic acid, which is the superficial peeling formula. Now if you are aware of the chemical exfoliation, then you must be knowing about Pixie Glyconic Toner. I have also made a full review video about that toner. I will drop down a link over here so you can go and check out my review on that toner. So this one has got lactic acid, which is the AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, which is derived from milk. Now because it has an AHA, it works on the outer surface of your skin, and this one in particular is a water-based serum. So lactic acids are strong acids, but they are not as strong as hyaluronic acid. So if you are new to chemical exfoliating, you can start with lactic acids. So lactic acid has got a lot of benefits, including improvement in your skin texture. It makes your skin smoother. It helps in hyperpigmentation. It helps in reducing wrinkles, fine lines, and it also improves the skin texture. And if you are a dry skin person, then lactic acid will be helpful because it helps in retaining the moisture. It also hydrates the skin, so when you apply it, it doesn't dry your skin at all. Now talking about this product in particular, so you can get this one in India on Flipkart and Amazon, and it retails for 2000 rupees. And today I checked on Flipkart, I think it was for 1500 something. So I think there is a discount going on Flipkart. So yeah, you can buy from Amazon, Flipkart, and if you're in Australia, you can buy it from Priceline, Sephora. Comparatively, it is easily available in Australia than in India. Now this lactic acid is pretty mild, I would say. It did not irritate my skin. Now I am not a very sensitive skin type, but if you have sensitive skin, then I always suggest to do a patch test. That means you can just take a little bit of it on your palm of your hand and just try it on your wrist, or you can even try on your neck, that if it suits you or not. And the frequency with which you should use this one should be twice a week. And whenever you are using any chemical exfoliator, always use a sunscreen. So this is how it looks like, a little bit pinkish, and the consistency of this one is pretty liquidy, so it just easily glides onto the skin and gets absorbed very quickly into the skin. So like I said, I have been using this one since 2 months, and I used to wash my face and apply this one, and after that I used to apply my moisturizer or my vitamin C suspension. Most likely I used to apply the vitamin C suspension to get better results. When you're using lactic acid, avoid using retinols after that, so you can apply your normal moisturizers, but do not go on with another layer of retinols. So I just used this one for 2 months and I'm still like using it, but I just did not experience any like difference in my skin or the texture. The acne scars that I have like one acne scar going on in here since 2 months, and it's like still the same, and I haven't used any product in between. I religiously used it and the vitamin C, but I am not like very impressed with this product, although it hydrated my skin, but it just did not do anything. So I think just for the sake that I have purchased it and I have been using it for 2 months now, I will just try to finish this bottle, and I don't think I'm going to repurchase this. So definitely a big no to this one. Alright, let's talk about the next product from Ordinary, which is the vitamin C suspension. So firstly, I was pretty happy to try the vitamin C initially because I heard a lot about Ordinary skincare range that they are really good. So I thought, why not to try their vitamin C, and vitamin C is always good for your skin. If you haven't started using vitamin C as in your skincare, then I would recommend you start using it. You can eat vitamin C, which is very good, healthy for your skin, but you can also apply vitamin C in your skin, which definitely makes difference in your skin, because I have tried Claire's vitamin C serum and I absolutely loved it. It's not available that easily in Australia, so that's why I tried the Ordinary vitamin C. I have finished like half of this tube, so I can tell you if this worked wonders or not. So first let's talk about its availability. So this one retails for $19.95 in India and approximately $13 or $14 in Australia. If you're using vitamin C, make sure you wear a nice sunscreen on top of it. Now let me clearly tell you that my experience with this vitamin C was not very good, and why. Firstly, let's talk about the consistency of this one. So it's like a cream, but the texture of this is really odd because this one has got silicone particles in it, and that's why it's like when you rub into the skin, you actually feel small granular particles, and it's not like a very good and soothing experience when you apply it, because when you apply this one on your skin, it irritates a lot, and if you have any active acne on your skin, then it irritates even more. So when you apply it on your face, it creates a tingling sensation for about 30 seconds, which I totally do not enjoy. Especially when I apply on my face starts to look very greasy for like an hour or so, and because of those silicone particles, you cannot even apply your makeup after that. So if you're thinking you can apply this one in daytime and just wear your makeup, you cannot. So that's another drawback. Now if you are still okay with applying this one every day on your face, you will be expecting at least some difference. Nothing like that happened to my skin. Firstly, it irritates my skin. Secondly, it has like silicone particles, and thirdly, it just do not do anything to your skin at all. And in fact, I used the Cetaphil Daily Advanced Lotion with the lactic acid, and I felt a lot better because my skin looked very fresh and nice when I paired the lactic acid with this Cetaphil lotion. So if you already have this, you can pair it with Cetaphil lotion and it's gonna show some good results. So right now I'm just using these two. Now coming back to the Ordinary vitamin C suspension, so like I said, this one just did not do anything. Again, disappointed with the second Ordinary product that I tried, and with that I think I'm gonna stop buying Ordinary products. So if you are planning to buy any of these, then I would say do not. And with that, we come to an end of this video. I hope you found my review helpful. If you did, do not forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.